to the county fair. And let's go check out some cute animals.
Yay!
Whoa, how are you doing? I don't like to touch the animals, I just like to look at them. He likes to touch the animals.
Hi, buddy. How are you doing, mister?
Hey guys, what do you think? Should we get one of these for the channel? That'd be really cool. And I'd only ride it.
You want to sit on it?
Hey, can we take one? I wish. Let me see. Wait, no.
I like that paint.
This thing is huge.
I suppose, dude.
Get ride these tractors down the road.
We found like a crazy car, a really crazy car, and here it is. This. I don't know what this is. This just looks like it came out of that one movie that like everybody's just like, let's go. And then, yeah, but it has 4 wheels. My doctor is wonderful. Wisconsin got milk. Yeah, this thing is just crazy. It's crazy. Got some antlers, a chest, and a bunch of other stuff, and some Nebraskas right there. At least I know one thing. This thing is definitely more rare than a Bugatti.
We got a tail of an animal.
We got fair food, the really greasy stuff, you know? It's super healthy. Like really healthy, you know?
Nom 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 nummies. Yeah, of course. Hello guys, I am Cotton Candy Man.
Yeah, we got a lot of fair stuff like donuts, a bucket of them because, you know, everything is big.
And
these deep fried Oreos.
yeah, I don't know how that is a thing.
It's a thing.
I don't have hair anymore.
I'm scared to even try this. It's like...
I'm taking a little bit.
Yeah. I don't know.
How's that?
Oh my god.
Beautiful. It tasted so good.
We're about to go on some rides. And those rides need tickets.
For which you need tickets. We have so many of those.
Bam. my dad's car doors are thicker than this, so his is more of a tank. Alright, now let's go grab some. And then these hooks, well, yeah, there's the engine, but these hooks is like when the helicopter, they would carry it with winches, and then they drop the car, boom, and then the helicopter would fly away, and then it'd be ready for boards and stuff and training. So yeah.
Thanks guys for watching
And coming to the fair with us. And remember to
like and subscribe and hit the bell icon
so you never miss one of our awesome videos. So we'll see ya.
amazing video.
Bye.